Thanks, Herbie. Beautiful Edsel. $19.59. Crestliner. Big steering wheel. $19.54. There are the Model A's. And Darren's beautiful car there. 34 Dodge. Darren has restored this twice. Jim showing off his truck.
This is my oldest, 29. That's a 1930 two-door sedan.
Studebaker. That's an early one.
And it was just great. It's great.
All right, who's running for office?
Right here.
Oh, what office?
He's in the office.
What office you running for?
I'm running for no office.
No office?
No office. I'm not a politician.
You're not?
No way.
They said you were.
Somebody might have said, but it wasn't me.
Now that's not what I read on Facebook. I read that long article on Facebook. I said, that's a politician.
That's
but that politician I'd vote for, you know.
What car do you have here today?
Right here.
Oh, what year's the Dodge?
The Dodge truck is a 1941.
41.
And the car is a 1931 Chevy.
Oh boy. Oh, look what he's done for the dash panel.
Make it batter. Mix it, a little bit of water in it, mix it.
Oh, we ate. We had some ice cream.
Spread that on. Spread that on.
Just waiting to go home.
I liked it. I liked it. It was
Ron's still holding court. Herb's giving a lecture. Well, I hope it starts. Such a pretty little car. It's warm enough out here.
Hey, it looks like you got a chip on that front wheel.
Yeah. It's not running yet. Turn the key on. Oh. That's not good. Get a horse. Oh, I hope it gets you home.